Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and today we have a short English pronunciation class.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and improve.
Great energy, Nexo. Today we will practice the sound air with clear words and simple phrases.
Perfect. That sound is in words like chair and bear, right?
Before we start, I will show you the lesson structure so you know exactly what to do. First part, words. Listen to each word, look at the image, and repeat the sound clearly. Second part, phrases. You will hear short phrases with the same sound in natural English. Keep it simple. Listen first, then repeat with confidence.
I like that. My ears are ready, and my voice is ready too.
Excellent, Nexo. Let us begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Chair. Chair. Bear. Bear. Pear. Pear. Hair. Hair. Stairs. Stairs. Square. Square. Airplane. Airplane. Airport. Airport. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Ferry. Ferry. Berry. Berry. Cherry. Cherry. Mare. Mare. Hair. Hair. Flare. Flare. Eclair. Eclair. Armchair. Armchair. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Phrases.
Good job. You completed the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
Nice. I can hear the sound more clearly now.
Now we move to phrases. The goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds of English.
Chair. Chair. The chair is blue. The chair is blue. Bear. Bear. The bear is big. The bear is big. Pear. Pear. I see a pear. I see a pear. Hair. Hair. Her hair is wet. Her hair is wet. Stairs. Stairs. The stairs are high. The stairs are high. Square. Square. The square is red. The square is red. Airplane. Airplane. The airplane is small. The airplane is small. Airport. Airport. The airport is busy. The airport is busy. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. The scarecrow is tall. The scarecrow is tall. Fairy. Fairy. The fairy has wings. The fairy has wings. Berry. Berry. The berry is sweet. The berry is sweet. Cherry. Cherry. The cherry is red. The cherry is red. Mare. Mare. The mare is white. The mare is white. Hare. Hare. The hare is fast. The hare is fast. Flare. Flare. The flare is bright. The flare is bright. Eclair. Eclair. The eclair is sweet. The eclair is sweet. Armchair. Armchair. The armchair is soft. The armchair is soft. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. The wheelchair is black. The wheelchair is black.
Great work. You and Nexo finished this pronunciation class.
Yes. I practiced hard, and the air sound feels much easier now.
Fantastic. Keep listening, keep repeating, and see you in the next class.